Hello, my name is Mitali D'Souza, and my daughter Risa recently gave her 10th exams. She did a wonderful workshop under the guidance of Mr. Navjot on finance management. As a parent, I was very satisfied with the course because Navjot sir gave them a detailed journey of how the finances should be managed. And at this age, as teenagers, I thought it was very important for the children to know how the finances should be managed. And so made it really simple and interesting for the children, and with so much of dedication and love, he taught each and every child present in his class. So I would truly recommend anybody who wants to avail his this workshop. It will be really a great way to train your children regards finance management. So go ahead. Thank you so much, sir.